Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. As you can see, yeah, I did it again. I changed my mind. If I get bored with something, I automatically change my mind and go to something different. But it's all right, guys. All of this has been settled and fixed up to date of what I've already saved, which as of 3/23, we added $14.86 that my son had brought in and gave me out of his change. So we are up to $217.99. So this challenge right here is on my Ko-Fi. It's free, or you can make a donation if you want to. If you're new here and this is the first time you're seeing this, there are two PDFs that you can download. You have the monthly money challenge, which is this page and this page, or you can download this one also, which is the challenge itself. This just right here is a cover, and then this is the back of how much you have saved so far. So as you can see, I have finished January, February, March, and I believe we are working on finishing April. So we are going to finish April by seeing how much we have saved for the month of March. It is the 26th of March. I'm just going to go ahead and get this done, get it over with. And this little container here is, I got it off Temu. It sits in my car, and when I get change, I just throw it in here, and then I pull it once a month or so. So we are going to go through and see how much this adds up to be. And it is cold because of the weather. It's sunny and it's trying to warm up today, but it's beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up this part of the video and lay everything out. So just give me 1 second, guys. I'll probably just take myself. Okay, guys, I got it all counted out, and with everything here, we had saved $26.24, which most of the quarters came from the car wash because I had to clean my car, get it straightened out, and everything like that. So what I am going to do right now is I'm going to add 26.24, and we are going to see how many we can change today. So 0.12 minus, so we can color this one in. 0.47, we can color that one. I hope everybody has been having a good week so far. Today is Wednesday. It's the end of March, and I know everybody is talking about how these months are flying by. Spring is here, although it still feels like we have a touch of little winter, which I believe we are in. The only thing I can call it is Bradford pear winter, because that's the only tree here that is in bloom. It is a little cold. The chickens are doing good. They are growing like weeds. The turkeys are getting bigger. These are some fast-growing turkeys, you all. Sorry if you can hear my chair squeak. It is an old chair. I need a new chair. I need a lot of stuff, y'all, but I'm working on it. We are excited about getting the greenhouse started. We still got a few things to do with it to get it up and running. I do have my seedlings planted. Okay, guys, so April is finished, and we have saved a total of, where's that? Okay, April, you saved $56.42. So $56.42 on that one. Let's change this over and get May started. And we are going to start from the top and work our way down. Well, we might start with the highest numbers in each one and then go from there. We'll go to largest to smallest on what we have until we can't do it no more. So for May. Let me see if I have a purple. I don't know if y'all can see these or not. This was a freebie that I got from Temu for some reason. I don't know. I didn't order them. But they are colored pencils, but they are not lead pencils. They're colored lead pencils. And it does come with an eraser that's inside. But yeah, it was kind of shocking for me when they came in. I thought, okay, I didn't order these. Why did I get them? It could have been by mistake. They could have just thrown them in for fun or whatever. Okay, so after I'd done that one, we had $22.18 to work with. So we are going to start with $3.51. And we'll color this one in. I have a question, guys. How are your egg prices? Are they starting to come down? Our egg prices at Walmart have, in the town that I live in, we only have one grocery store, and they price gouge like crazy. So I've just, I joined Walmart Plus, and I just do my ordering online and have it delivered to me, because my anxiety has just not been really good. I want to drop down and do 302. I cannot be around a large group of people right now for some strange reason. I have no idea why. Well, I do. It's just where I got a lot on my mind with my brother and him being in hospice care. And, you know, it's just, it's hard. Death is hard on everybody. It just seems like this year I've dealt with a lot of death. Losing two dear people to me, and now the third one is my brother, who is just absolutely, yeah, it's absolutely broke my heart. So the next one down here, let's go with, I know I jumped, didn't I? 345, 349. Let's go to 349. So my brother, he sends me a message every night. Love you, sis. Beautiful girl. You're an amazing woman, a great mother, you know, and all this stuff. And I was thinking, Lord, child, I've had my dealings, you know. Sometimes I felt like I failed as a mother, and sometimes I feel like I've done great as a mother. Other times I just feel like, you know, I've done the best I can. We'll go with 345. And I know everybody goes through stuff like that. You know, they're just like, I wished I'd done this different, or I wished I'd done that different. I wish I didn't have to, you know, I didn't have to work as hard as I did. I wished I'd have been more involved in my kids', you know, lives. But, you know, they tell me all the time, Mom, you done the best that you could with what we had. They said we may have not got all we wanted, but we got what we needed. And that means a lot to you as you get older. Your kids tell you stuff like that because, you know, a lot of people do feel like they failed as a mother. But, guys, you can only raise your children to a certain age. And then whatever they decide to do after that, you know, that's on them. That's not on you. You taught them right from wrong. Okay, we can do this one here. And we're getting close down to the bottom. Getting close to being at the end of this video. I don't usually talk a whole lot. I have ADHD really bad, guys. And so sometimes my videos I'm really talkative. Other times I'm not talkative. And I know that's not a very good way to do a video. But this is just to let you know, guys. Sometimes you can do whatever you can do. And that's, you know, that's all you can do. If it's a lot of money or if it's a little money, you're saving something. So we're going to do 330, and that leaves us with 206. So I'm going to have to search through here and see if there is a 206 that we can color in on another spot. That way all of it will go into the bank, the little change container on the desk. So 206. I really and truly don't want to have to sit here and try to figure out 206 on this. So we are going to flip through and see if there is a 206 somewhere on these pages. Okay, there's 2. Oh, yep, in August. 206 in August. So I will flip and just color this one in. There we go. Have you all seen how much Temu prices have went up? I guess since the new tariffs came in and stuff. Labels that I used to get for food preparation were like $500 for $4 and something, and now it's like $14. I was like, yeah, well, sorry Temu, I guess I'll go back to Amazon. But anyway, guys, there's that. So what we are going to do is I'm going to put all this in here, and then I will get it ready and dump into the big container, which I will try to I don't know if I can lift the big container. It is under my desk, and it's quite heavy with the change that we have saved so far. Now, none of this change right here is counting the hoard that my husband has in his vehicle. Because for some reason he likes hoarding it for 3 or 4 months, and then he brings it in a bag and says, here, count this. And it takes me forever. So yeah, those were a lot of quarters. Like I said, I had been to the car wash and got it all done. So there's that. And we finished. We're in, where are we at? Okay, let me get this back together. So we are starting. Here's April, March, February, January, February, March, April. We are done with those. So where is May? Oh my God, y'all. I am so confused. Okay. July, August, May. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We'll just put them this way. April. Okay. And we started on May. Alright. So, and the good thing about these is that you can start them in whatever month you want to. So, that's the good thing. So, anyway, guys, hang on just a minute. Let me see if I can get this big container up here. Okay, here she is. And she is about, let's see. She's in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this, dump it in there. And that probably just put another 20 pounds on it. Let's see if I can show you guys. So, it's, oh, sorry. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, darlings. We are going to jump off here, and I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your week. And if anything happens, I will give you all an update. And thank you guys for hanging around. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, y'all.